So FedEx just delivered this box from Apple, and I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, what Mac did you buy? Did you get the Mac Studio? And no, this is the MagSafe battery for the iPhone Air. I mean, just look at how massive this box is. And I've already opened it, but this is how it came. So you open it up, there is all this. And then somewhere in here is this little box. How is this helping out the world, Apple? Like, I mean, look at this. All for one little battery pack. But we're gonna open this up and we're gonna take a look at it and compare it to the old one. All right, so for reference, here is the old one. I've had this since day one of its release, whenever that was. It's held up really well. It does still take lightning. That was the big thing when they canceled this one. But let's go ahead and take a look at this new one. Now this one apparently is for the iPhone Air only, which is just so crazy. So the box is really nice. I mean, it slides right out. There was like no friction at all. And we pop this. Man, that is thin. That is so thin. So just slide right there. Slide that out. And there you have it. Like compared to the other one, I mean, look at how much thinner. Obviously a lot taller, which is probably why it doesn't work with any of the others. You can see this one has the MagSafe ring indicator. This one has absolutely nothing. And we have USB-C, which is wonderful. I don't know why they got rid of this completely. I love this thing. I use it on my 16 Pro anytime I travel. This thing is amazing. I love the fact that you can get access to what battery percentage is left on the device. Like, they don't give access to anybody else as far as I remember for that kind of stuff. So they really need to bring this back for every phone, not just this iPhone Air. So let's go ahead, look at the paperwork. It doesn't look like there's really anything in there. So we're gonna go ahead and close this up. And I'm gonna go ahead and grab my phone. This is the 16 Pro, so it's not the Max. So just look, like that's not gonna, if that tells you anything about just the size of the iPhone Air, because it only has like one camera bump. So, but can we still charge it sideways maybe? Like, I don't even know where the sensor is. It doesn't even want to work at all. So this is not going to work on anything other than the iPhone Air. It does kind of connect right there, but I don't think we're going to get a charge out of it. Let me get a USB-C cable and see if there's any way to charge this up, because it probably did arrive dead and I seriously just unboxed it in front of you. So I'm going to get a cable and I'm going to charge this up for just a little bit and see if I can get it to charge my iPhone 16 at all. All right, so I found a cable, so we're going to go ahead and plug this in. And the light indicator is right there. On the old one, it was right here. So this one's completely hidden when it's not in use, which is really cool. But we have it plugged in. We're going to go ahead and just try to plug that in and see. There you go. So it will work. You can technically, I mean, obviously this is not going to stay on there very well like this, but it will charge your iPhone. And let's see, do we have, yep, MagSafe Battery Pack. You can see the current level of the battery pack. So it will work. It is just definitely not meant for it. Still don't know why they created it like this, but if you're interested in this and you thought, well, maybe I can get it to work with one of my old ones, it's not going to work at all, because obviously, like, you can't be going around like this. This is not going to charge very efficiently, and it's probably going to cause more headache than what it is. But Apple, seriously, why not make one of these that can also work with every phone that you sell, not just this new Air? Like, we miss this. Like, I miss this. I love this thing. I wish it was USB-C, because that would just make life a lot easier. And I would buy it instantly. Like, I bought this one instantly. I would buy another one that's USB-C even faster. And this is sadly not the one, unless you're going for the Air. Like, I am getting the Air. So if you want to see a video on how this works on the Air, be sure to hit that subscribe button, because as soon as I get that, I'm picking it up on day one. I will be making content on this with that Air, along with the 17 Pro. So there you have it. If you're wondering what this looks like and how Apple ships it to you, now you know. Hope you have a great rest of your day. God bless.